Hey, welcome back to part 2 of this unboxing video review of the OLYMPiA-TOOLS knife. Yeah. Now to adjust the blade on here, actually this one has quite a few adjustments on there. This one, this 1, 2, over here on the flame, which I don't think really does anything. And then it's 3, but here on the pocket clip if you wanted to remove the pocket clip. Why, I don't know, but you know, is. Well, this one there is, of course, 1, 2 on that side, and 2 more over here, and then of course still 3 for the pocket clip, as you can see. And then there is, I believe, some more. Stupid thing. Yeah, so then there's 1, 2, 3, and you can't really see it too much, but right here on the top is the 4th little screw. And you could adjust the speed of how fast and how slow it adjusts, you know, due to the little hex keys. You know, well, actually star keys, which is located on both sides. So, I mean, this knife, honestly, if you drop it at night or something, or low light conditions, you are going to see it a little bit more than this one. But in comparison to what my opinion is, I mean, for the $2.49 or $2.50, definitely for $2.50, yeah, it's okay for $2.50. Full price, $10. No, I probably would not buy it for $10. But for $2.50, yeah, $2.50, definitely it's worth $2.50, as I would put it. As far as the Stanley one, this is going to be my go-to one. Between, you know, the OLYMPIA Hi-VIZ TURBOFOLD utility knife and the Stanley one, I'm going to pick the Stanley every single time. This is going to be my go-to utility knife between the two. This one. Why? I could easily open it up with one thumb, easily change the blades and put them in, easily fold it to close it. Well, this one, yeah, lots of different positions, but I mean, how often are you going to use the blade like this? Usually you're going to use it all the way like this. Yeah. And it's this little lock mechanism is so hard to get a grip on, to slide the blade out, and then it's so hard to try to line the blade up inside of there. And then, yeah, I just don't really like this design. And this aluminum plate feels very cheap, like piece of plastic almost. Now the lanyard hole I do like. That is a nice little touch on there. But over and being, you know, Hi-VIZ, this one being the yellow version, and you know they do have the blades in the orange version. The safety yellow, I do like this, that is, you know, highly visible in, you know, nighttime low light situations. It would have been nice if this one also glowed in the dark, you know, because you know low light you can see the yellow, but if it's nighttime and you're not low light and you're actually in complete total pitch black of the night, you know, glow in the dark, you'd be like, oh, there's my knife. It's the blade on the ground that's glowing.